Today we're showing a 2015 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H240 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 500 hours on it. It's in excellent condition. Has 55 horsepower, and again comes with the H240 loader. The global style bucket connection for your bucket quick disconnect. It's in nice shape. It does have the front grill guard on it. Paint's in really nice shape. Front tires show a little wear, but they certainly have a lot of life remaining. The mid hose connections here. Rear tires are excellent. It's got the foldable rollover bar. Also has the rear work light, rear hydraulic outlet, 540 and 540E PTO. Has the stabilizer chains on the 3-point. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. Hardly a scratch on the tractor. Barely any paint off the floorboards here or the pedals. It does have the tilt steering wheel. Also has the left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges here to the left of the seat, 4 synchronized gears over there to the right, which gives you a total of 12 speeds. Has a loader control right here within easy reach. Hydraulic and 3-point controls to the right. Power takeoff engagement is up on the fender, as well as a cup holder up there. Down below you've got the differential lock pedal, brake pedals, foot throttle, clutch pedal here to the left. To the left of the seat here you've got your 4-wheel drive engagement and your 540E PTO selector. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.